Hey ladies, welcome back to another Amazon wig install. This wig is so pretty. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. This wig is actually from Amazon. This is from a brand called Flooyeer, and this is their 20-inch body wave HD lace glueless wig. It's 100% human hair. The lace closure is a 5x5. It is HD, and this wig is also 180% density. It comes with the pre-plucked hairline, the bleached knots, and everything, you guys. And also, this wig cap has like a C-shaped ear design that makes it very comfortable for you to wear. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing per usual. So this is the wig. Take a look at that shine, you guys. The wig comes naturally shiny like that. It's very soft to the touch, very bouncy. It's super pretty. This is Brazilian hair, by the way. Now the lace closure, again, it is a 5x5, and they did go ahead and pluck the hairline for you, and they also took care of those knots for you. That is the C-shaped ear design. It just makes it very comfortable for the wig cap to be on your head. That way nothing is laying on your ears or anything like that. And of course, this wig is 100% glueless, so it does come with the adjustable elastic band and the combs as well. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation onto that lace just to make the lace match my skin color a whole lot better, but she is definitely HD, and you guys will see that as soon as I throw the wig on. Once you have the wig on, if you need to adjust that elastic band, you can definitely do so. That's what I did, and she was a very snug fit. I was like, yes, I don't have to use any product to lay the wig down or for extra security or anything like that. She was perfect, you guys. And I'm also going to give you guys some close-ups of that C-shaped ear design that I was talking about earlier once I get all of the hair away from the lace and get everything situated. But you'll be able to see that the wig cap is nowhere near my ears, and it was super comfortable to wear. So here's a close-up of that lace against my skin, and as you guys can see, it's giving natural. And here's a close-up of that C-shaped ear design that I was talking about earlier. The wig cap is nowhere near my ears. I don't have to worry about anything pressing on my ears or anything just being super uncomfortable, so we're thankful for that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the additional lace that we do not need. My scissors have like a natural curve in it. That's like the best way to get a natural cut on your lace. That way it doesn't look too blunt. If you have regular straight scissors, just remember to cut in a zigzag motion, all right? Then I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation right at the edges of the lace just to make sure everything is blended in nicely. So just like that, the install portion is done. We're gonna go ahead over to the styling portion of this tutorial. As always, I'm gonna make sure that the top of my wig is laying extremely flat using my wax stick and my hot comb. This also helps me to mold the wig into a shape that I would like for it to lay. Being that this is a closure lace, I don't want the ends of the lace to show. You can either add baby hairs or you can kind of just mold the wig to lay in a certain way. That way it's not noticeable, you know. But pay attention to how I am parting this hair as I'm making sure everything is laying flat. That way you can see how much lace room is on this closure. Remember, it is a 5x5, so you can actually switch up the parting style if you choose to. Okay, this side is officially complete. Now I'm going to give you guys some clips to show you the difference. Hopefully you can tell in these two clips right here the difference of each side. So I'm just going to do the same method on the other side as well. Here's another close-up of that lace. She is looking extremely natural. I'm satisfied with it. And because I'm sticking with the middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and leave everything how it is. And I'm just gonna add a lighter foundation in the middle part to kind of just help mimic my scalp. So now it's time to style the rest of the hair. And as you guys can see, the ends were like a little stringy. So I wanted to get rid of that. And I also wanted to give me a little bit more bounce, a little bit more of diversity with how the hair was laying. So I went ahead and I cut me some layers. I'm not the best at it, but I definitely think I I do enough. Now this wig is 20 inches, so I didn't want to cut off too much, but I just wanted a little bit more dimension, and I definitely think that cutting the layers helped. So I curled one side off camera, and I'm going to show you guys how I did the other side. As usual, I just went in with some holding spray, my wax stick for any flyaways, and I just used my regular curling wand. For all of the products that I use, you guys, I do actually have an Amazon storefront. The link is always in my description box down below, and everything that I normally use for my wig installs will be listed there, okay? So you can go ahead and check that out. But as far as the quality of the hair, you guys, I have no complaints. The hair was so soft to the touch. She did not tangle, she barely shed. It was really easy to work with. It also did not have a crazy smell. I did install this straight out the box, by the way, and they are actually having a 15% off discount on this particular wig. So I think for 20 inches right now, it's around like $150. So I would definitely have the link in the description box down below. But this is like a beautiful, easy, beginner friendly, everyday wig. So I would definitely snatch this one up if you can. So we are pretty much done. I am going to go ahead and run my fingers through the curls. I'm also going to touch up any spots that I feel like the hair is sticking up a little bit, hence me using my wax stick in this clip right here. I just like to make sure everything is looking neat, and then I just kept playing with it until I was satisfied. Okay, you guys, we are officially finished. I was done playing with it at this point. I got it to look exactly how I wanted it, and I really feel like it came out great. She was very, very, very pretty. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this final look. The layers that I cut into this wig definitely gave it a little bit more extra bounce, at least in my personal opinion. I love the quality of the hair overall. As I mentioned, it was very soft, very shiny, very bouncy. The lace was definitely given, okay? She was definitely HD. Thank you for not giving me a transparent lace. You guys know I cannot stand that because it shows up too white on me. This one was definitely a true HD lace. She melted beautifully. The color wasn't off. Nothing was showing. It was great. And of course, I was happy that she was 100% glueless. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there for you. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you learned something, and I will see you guys next time.